sixth chapter, trigonometric ratios up to transformation. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 1A, part 46. Today explained problems are important problems in 7 marks IB examination. Last parts also be very important. Last 2 problems. What is the problem? Today problem. Lengthy problems, very useful and important formulas in IB examination. If a plus b plus equal to 180 degrees or pi radians, then prove that cos a by 2 plus cos b by 2 plus cos c by 2 is equal to 4 into cos of pi minus a by 4 into cos of pi minus b by 4 into cos of pi minus c by 4. Pi nothing but pi radius 180 degrees. You can write pi or 180 degrees. First you have to take LHS part. In this problem you have to solve 2 models. Once you have to take LHS, prove that RHS. Or otherwise you have to take RHS, prove LHS. Anyone you can do that. LHS value is what? Cos a by 2 plus cos b by 2 plus cos c by 2. Here, see students, cos a plus cos c plus cos d formula. What is that formula? 2 cos of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2 in this formula. This is the cos c plus cos d formula. In this formula, you can write c value is a by 2, d value is b by 2. You can write 2 cos a by 2 plus b by 2 whole by 2, c value a by 2 plus d value b by 2 whole by 2 is there. Cos of a by 2 minus b by 2 whole by 2 plus cos c by 2 plus cos c by 2. After that, 2 cos, you can write a plus b by 2 by 2. Correct or not, students? Here we have to take LCM. 2 is LCM. A plus b whole by 2 whole by 2. Cos of a minus b by 2 by 2 plus cos c by 2 plus cos c by 2. After that, 2 cos a plus b nothing but a plus b by 2 2 is 4 into cos a minus b by 2 2 is 4 plus cos c by 2. One side expressions, 2 cos a plus b 2 into 2 4. Here also 2 into 2 4. You know that a plus b plus c equal to how much? A plus b plus c equal to 180 degrees. Then c is equal to what? What is the value of c here? C is equal to 180 minus of a plus b. You can write in this place. What happened? 2 cos of a plus b by 4 into cos of a minus b by 4. Here first term unchanged plus cos of c value is 180 minus of a plus b whole by 2. You can write in place of c 180 minus of a plus b. After that, 2 cos of a plus b by 4 into cos of a minus b by 4 plus cos of, you can separate the numerator, 180 by 2 minus of a plus b by 2. Understood? 2 ones are 2 90s. Remaining what? 2 cos of a plus b by 4 into cos of a minus b by 4. First term is unchanged plus cos of 90 minus of a plus b by 2. 90 minus of a plus b by 2. 90 minus theta which quadrant? 90 minus theta which quadrant? 90 minus theta first quadrant. Correct? Here first term is unchanged. 90 minus theta first quadrant. First quadrant cos is positive. 90 is odd. Cos can be changed sign. Sin of a plus b by 2. Sin of a plus b by 2. We know that the sin a formula. What is the formula sin a? 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. This formula already explained multiple and submultiple angle formulas. In this formula you can use this. This total you have to take a sin a form. Which form? Sin a form. What is the formula? 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. Similarly, first term is unchanged. 2 cos of a plus b by 4 into cos of a minus b by 4 plus sin a formula. What is that formula? 2 sin 2 sin a value is a plus b by 2 by 2. Correct or not, students? Once again explained. Here a value is a plus b by 2. Here a value is a plus b by 2. Whole by 2 is there. That's why you can write whole by 2. Similarly, cos of a value is a plus b by 2. Whole by 2 is there. You can write whole by 2. After that, 2 cos a plus b by 4. Cos of a minus b by 4. See students, observe that first term up to you can write constant. That is nothing but similar. You can write first term. Just to in this step 2 onwards, you can change only second term also. That's why you can write the first term is 1 second unchanged. 2 sin of here see students 2 sin of a plus b by 2 to the 4 into cos of a plus b 2 to the 4. See students, observe that these two terms here 2 get common. Cos of a plus b by 4, cos of a plus b by 4 common. Which one is common students? 2 cos of a plus b by 4 is common. What next step is what? Cos of a minus b by 4. Remainder here sin of a plus b by 4. Here sin of a plus b by 4. Understood or not, students? After that, we can write 2 cos of a plus b by 4 is similar. 2 cos of a plus b by 4 value is same. After that, cos of a minus b by 4 plus this sign as cos of 90 minus of a plus b by 4. That is correct or not? Check, students. First of all, this one is correct or not? First step is similar. Second step here also be first term is same. Second term 90 minus pi by 2 nothing but how many degrees? Pi by 2 nothing but 90 degrees. 90 degrees pi by 2. 90 minus theta first quadrant. First quadrant cos is positive. 90 is which function? Which function? Odd. Cos can be changed sin theta value is b by 4. That's why you can write this is correct. Cos C plus cos B form. Which form? Cos C plus cos B. What is the form of cos C plus cos B? 2 cos C plus B. Already first term is unchanged. This one is similar. 2 cos C. C value is what here? C value is a minus b by 4 plus D. D value is pi by 2 minus of a plus b by 4 whole by 2 into cos. Understood or not, students? After the cos, a here c plus d by 2 completed. Yes, c minus d. A minus b by 4 minus of pi by 2 into minus of a plus b by 4 whole by 2. C, this is c minus this total d by 2. After that, 2 cos a plus b by 4. 2 cos a plus b by 4. 2 to the how much here? You can write 2 to the 4 cos of. You have to take LCM. What is that LCM? LCM is 4. Here a minus b are similar. Plus this 2 is there. This 2 multiplied with 2. 2 by minus a plus b minus a minus b whole by 2. Understood or not, students? 4 to 4 LCM is 4. A minus b similar. Here 2 is there. This numerator multiplied with 2. 2 by this multiplied with minus cos. Here also b LCM is 4. A minus b. Here minus 2 by minus into minus plus a plus b whole by 2. After that, 4 cos of a plus b by 4 into cos of here plus a minus a get cancelled. 2 by is there minus b minus 2b by 4 into 2. 4 into 2 how much? 8. You can write 4 into 2 cos of here minus b plus b get cancelled. A plus a 2a minus 2 by 1 second 4 into 2. Understood or not, students? This formula cos 1 second you can write in this way. 4 cos of a plus b by 4 are similar. Cos of in this two term you can common 2. You get what? 5 minus b by 4 into 2. In this two term you can common 2. In this two term you can common minus 2. You get 5 minus a by 4 into 2. Correct or not, students? First of all check. minus 2 into 5 minus 2 by minus 2 into minus a, you get plus 2a. Here 2 get cancelled, here also 2 get cancelled. Remaining a plus b plus c is equal to 180 is nothing but 5 radians. Then a plus b equal to what? A plus b equal to 5 minus c. A plus b equal to what? 5 minus c. You can write 4 into cos of a plus b value 5 minus c. A plus b value 5 minus c by 4. Cos of 5 minus b by 4 is there into cos of minus of 5 minus b by 4. Here minus is there. Cos of minus theta. Cos of minus theta value is cos theta. Cos of minus theta value is what? Cos theta. You can write 4 cos of 5 minus c by 4. Cos of 5 minus b by 4. Cos of minus theta, cos theta, you can write 5 minus a by 4. You can write cos to a angle. Cos of a angle is 5 minus a by 4 into cos of b angle is 5 minus b by 4. Cos of c angle is 5 minus e by 4. This is the RHS part. Correct or not? Check, students, first of all. 4 into cos of 5 minus a by 4 into cos of 5 minus b by 4 into cos of 5 minus c by 4. This model problems are very important. Just 4 problems is there in this model. That 4 problems are very important in IB examination. Next, assignment problems of similar model. What is that problem? A plus b is equal to 180 degrees or 5 radians. Then prove that cos a by 2 plus cos b by 2 minus cos c by 2 is equal to 4 into cos of 5 plus a by 4 into cos of 5 plus b by 4 into cos of 5 minus c by 4. This one is the problem. In this problem, you have to take LHS. Cos a by 2 plus cos b by 2 minus cos c by 2. What is the difference between before problem and this problem? Just to before problem having positive, here having negative. Similar way you can do that. Here first you can use cos c plus cos b formula. What is that formula? Cos c plus cos b? 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. In this formula, you can write a c value is a by 2, d value is b by 2. Substituted in this formula. Here you can use a plus b is equal to 180 minus c. Similarly, we can use c is equal to 180 minus of a plus b or 5 minus of a plus b. You can write any one. In this problem, you can do that compulsory depend with the first problem, nothing but previous problem. You get easily coming to the answer in this problem.